Hi there, this is Mr. Bushong, Assistant Principal at Beckman High School. Hey, I'm going to show you a couple things today. Number one, students for the CASP test all need their SSID number. That's part of the login process. That's their student state ID number. You can find it easily in your Aries student screen. So I'm going to show you a screenshot of this blue guy right here. So if you go in your parent portal student screen, you'll have your picture and your name and so forth. And if you look at your student IDs, your student number and so forth, you'll see state student ID. That is your SSID number, and that is part of what you'll need when you go to log in for the CASP secure browser for testing days on Wednesday, April 28th and May 5th. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to see if you have the secure browser on your laptop. If you have a Beckman or TUSD device, this is what the secure browser looks like. And I mentioned that you would need your SSID number for testing. So if I were to click that secure browser, it's going to give me a warning because I have other windows open, which means it wouldn't be secure, so I couldn't take the test yet. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK so you can see what the screen looks like inside the secure browser. So you'd have your first name here. You would have to have your SSID number here, which you could go ahead and write down on a piece of scratch paper and keep that with you for testing, a post-it note or whatever. And then you would need the session ID number down here, which your teacher will share with you before the test starts. Okay, so that's what the secure browser looks like inside, and you're going to need that to take the 11th grade CASP tests starting on the 28th. I'm going to get out of there. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you, if you do not have the secure browser already installed on your TUSD laptop, your Surface Pro, here's how you find it. Go ahead and go down into the Windows button down there and click that. Go up to what's called the company portal and click that, and you will see the apps that are available on your laptop. One of those apps, if you do not already have the secure browser installed, is going to be the CASP secure browser. I already have it installed, but you would go ahead and double click that, and it would just take 1 or 2 minutes and you would have it downloaded and it would appear on your desktop. Now, let's say you have a personal device, not a TUSD laptop. You can download the secure browser by using a web link, which I will provide, and that will take you right here to the CASP website, and it tells you exactly step-by-step instructions how to download the secure browser onto your personal device. So you go down here and you figure out which device you have, Mac, iPad, Windows, and so forth, and then you just follow the instructions. You'd go through here and find out which device you have and just do the step-by-step instructions. And in a few minutes, you'll have that CASP secure browser on your personal device. And on test day, you can log in like I showed you before using your SSID number, your first name, and the test session ID number that your teacher gave you. More info to come from your tutorial teachers. Have a great day.